Hi, my name is James Kennedy with Eastwood Homes, and today we're going to be talking about your garbage disposal and your kitchen sink. The garbage disposal is generally used to dispose of any leftover things you may have on a plate or a bowl. The general rule of thumb is to scrape off anything that you have left on a plate onto the trash can, and anything that's left can go down into that garbage disposal. Some things that you don't want to put down the garbage disposal are going to be some things that are very malleable and thin, like an onion peel or garlic peel. The way that the garbage disposal works is it has a plate on the bottom that has a couple fins that spins around and chops up anything that is inside of it. So if that onion peel that's very small and thin gets stuck to the side where the drains are, those fins will not catch it and it will clog up that disposal. If something gets down inside the disposal and binds it up and basically locks it up where it won't spin anymore, there's two things that you must do. First, I would check the internal breaker that's on the inside of the motor. On the very bottom, there's a button that you may feel with your finger, and you can press that in to make sure that that has not tripped. Secondly, you will need to use the key to dislodge anything that was stuck inside of the disposal. First thing before we put this in here is we will unplug the disposal, and then we'll take this key, and on the very middle of most of the garbage disposals, you can put this key, and you can manually turn it to dislodge anything that may be lodged inside of the unit. Once you've dislodged it, you will then have to come up above the sink and stick your hand down inside of the disposal to get out anything that was down in there. Once you've taken it out and just set that aside, then you will come down here and use this key once more, put it inside of that little seat, and then turn it manually once more to make sure everything is clear and you have no obstructions. If that's the case, we will then plug the disposal back in. We will run the water, and then we will turn the disposal on to make sure everything is clear.